Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Eki Ismawati with NPM 2341241 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about primary and secondary markets. Primary and secondary markets in the capital market. The capital market is a platform that connects companies that need funds with investors who have funds to invest. Through the capital market, companies can raise funds to support business expansion and other financial needs, while investors can invest their money and potentially earn returns. In the capital market, there are two main types of markets, the primary market and the secondary market. These two markets place different rules in the issuance and trading of stocks. Primary market. The primary market is a market where companies sell their shares or securities to investors for the first time. This usually happens during an initial public offering or IPO, when a company offers its shares to the public. There are several characteristics of the primary market. First, shares are sold directly by the issuing company to investors. Second, this process usually occurs during an initial public offering. Third, the share price is determined before the offering begins. And finally, the funds obtained from selling the shares go directly to the company. The main purpose of the primary market is to raise capital from investors, which can be used by the company to expand its business or support its operations. Secondary market. The secondary market is a market where securities that have already been issued are traded again among investors through the stock exchange. There are several characteristics of the secondary market. First, transactions occur between investors, not directly with the company. Second, trading takes place on the stock exchange, such as the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Third, share price change continuously based on supply and demand in the market. Finally, the funds from this transaction do not go to the issuing company, but to the investor who sells the shares. The main purpose of the secondary market is to provide liquidity, meaning investors can easily buy or sell their shares. Differences between primary and secondary markets. There are several key differences between the primary market and the secondary market. In the primary market, shares are sold for the first time and investors buy directly from the company. The price is predetermined and the funds go to the company. In the secondary market, shares that have already been issued are traded among investors. The price is determined by market supply and demand, and the funds go to the investor who sells the shares. In conclusion, the primary market helps companies raise capital, while the secondary market allows investors to trade shares and maintain market liquidity. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.